Here for a water leak. Let's scope it out. Here's the air handlers. Somewhere in the middle of the space. That wet. Pan's dry. Nothing looks wet that way. So our drains that way out. Oop, top of my head. Nothing. What about this pan? Bone dry. Main auxiliary. Alright. Yep, looks like a drip. Alright, so let's see. Put this on here. Boom. And yep, there's water leaking from here. Oh, that's fitting is cracked. Alright. So I gotta cut that out. Hopefully I could fit a coupling somewhere here and there. Get that together. If not, cut this. I'll have to put a coupling here down, and make it work. Or I just raise it up. Raise the whole pipe across up a little. We'll see. So what could I stick this to? My light. Boom. Give me a little bit more light here. Or it'll probably fall if I do this. But I'm gonna go get my cutter. So first cut. Can't get it away yet. Boom. Gives me a little more play. Alright, let's see what happens. Right in the middle. Interesting, so this is leaking, but no water from here. That's clean, no primer on me, so it'll still melt together. This is already in my truck, so I'm gonna just cut it here, then fit it the size. Figure right about, I have room, so out here. Next coupling. Will it fit? Or do I gotta modify it? Let's see, I set it up for this way. There. Actually, cut just a little more off. Not much. Cool. Yeah, just a little bit. I just like being out of primer, but this still works. Boom. Yep. Okay. So, now to build this piece. Slippery hands. And that's what wrenches are good for. Wish I had primer, but this is still going to work. Clean it all up. Okay. That'll never let go. Alright, good. Alright, now I get this on. Yeah. Still dripping water. Don't want to use the bread trick in this. Oh, right on the arm. Whatever. Look at this snot. Look at this snot falling. Nope, get back. Right there. Perfect. Perfect. good. Going nowhere. Get the clamps back in place. It'll be as good as new. A little glue on the arm does the body good. And it's supported again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Strain should not ever leak for probably the life of this air conditioner. At least not here. Not sure how out of nowhere all of a sudden it started, but something cracked it. As you could see, could have froze in the winter and over time, but water shouldn't really sit in this, so something probably put some pressure on it. Till next time, I'm out.